Hey everyone, this is Alessandro Bruxel from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the recipe for a delicious and easy to prepare grilled nectarines and halloumi cheese salad with a yogurt, ginger, honey and cardamom sauce. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. For the sauce, we're going to be using 150 grams, 5.3 ounces of Greek yogurt. To that, we're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of freshly ground ginger, a pinch of ground cardamom, and a pinch of red chili powder. Mix everything well to combine. Taste it and adjust to your liking. I'm adding just a little bit more honey for sweetness. Then, reserve it for later. Next, we're going to be cutting 2 nectarines into wedges, discarding the pit. You can also use peaches if you wish. Choose fruits that are ripe but still firm, as they'll grill better without sticking to the grill. Then, cut the halloumi cheese into bite-sized pieces. The halloumi cheese I have is 225 grams, 7.9 ounces. Next, we're gonna chiffonade a few leaves of fresh basil. Roll up the leaves, then thinly slice them. The next step is to grill the nectarines. You can use an outdoor grill or a grill pan. Lightly oil the pan to prevent the nectarines from sticking. Turn the nectarines once they've gotten nice grill marks. Once both sides are grilled, remove them from the pan and reserve. And then, just like we did with the nectarines, we're gonna be grilling the halloumi cheese. We're looking for nice grill marks on both sides. Once the cheese is done, we're ready to plate the salad. I like to start by adding a spoonful of the yogurt to the plate. Then, add the grilled nectarines. Sprinkle with the basil. Add the grilled halloumi cheese, a light drizzle of honey, and some toasted pistachios. And to garnish it, I'm using some small basil leaves and some cornflower petals. And now, it is time to eat. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.